Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is a special message to my brothers and sisters in England, and in particular, those that are in London or Manchester or within driving distance of London and Manchester. This is a message about a protest that will be held outside of the Chinese embassies at 12:30 p.m. this Saturday, and is going to be attended, inshallah, by thousands and thousands of people, and it will be about, of course, the Uyghur situation. Brothers and sisters, wallahi, all of us, we are following with a sense of dread, with a sense of anxiety, the worsening situation that is happening in China. And frankly, a lot of us feel exasperated. What can we do? And subhanAllah, there's not much that can be done in the times and the eras that we live in, but we do whatever we can. And one of the things that is going to be effective is the PR campaigns that are being launched to shame the government that is responsible for these crimes against humanity. These governments are extremely sensitive about their public image, and so the more the people that come and the more the pressure that is put on them, there is tangible benefit that can be achieved. And in fact, because of pressure, they have even allowed some inspectors to come, even though it might be a show or a facade, whatever it might be, but still pressure has caused certain changes in the tactics. So please do not underestimate the realities of what you might possibly accomplish by coming out in large numbers and by doing what you can. And you know what is the alternative? I mean, what else can we do other than dua and other than monitor the situation and raise public awareness on our Facebook and our personal lives, to stand outside of the very embassy that is responsible for all of these crimes, and to demonstrate to them and to demonstrate to the world at large that at the very least we have a conscience that is alive, the very least that we're not going to remain silent, and they are in our du'as and they're in our thoughts, and we're going to remember them and make dua for them as long as his situation is as it is. So please, I urge all of you, I wish I were there myself in your country right now to be able to protest, but qaddar Allah, I just left it last week, so I'm back in America now. But please, those of you that are in that area that can drive or within reasonable distance of London and Manchester, 12:30 p.m. is going to be the protest outside of the Chinese embassy and consulate. And for further information, you can log on to the websites that will be on your screen now. Jazakumullah khair. Whatever you do for your Muslim brothers and sisters, Allah Azza wa Jalla will give you back much more in this world and in the next world. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Join us at the protest with more than 50 national organizations to stand for Uyghurs.